Hi, Katie. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are we gonna go down the hill again?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And then at the end, we'll give you some gummy bears. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Wait 1 minute. Don't move. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Nice. Nice. Okay, we're gonna keep going, okay? Come on, say keep going. Let's go diagonal. Nice. Nice. Okay, now let's go this way. Nice. And let's go this way. Nice pizzas. Nice. Let's go this way. Nice. Pizza. Good. Now this way. Good. Pizza, 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 pizza. Pizza, 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 pizza. Nice. Are you having fun, Katie? Yeah, we have a little bit more ways to go. Let's see how far we gotta go, okay? We got that much more to go, okay?
This way.
Which way you wanna go?
This way.
Okay, let's go that way. Here we go. Nice! Come over here, give me a high five. Can you come here, give me a high five? Come on. Give me a high five. Nice! Are you having fun?
We'll go David.
What?
I'll go this
Give
way.
mommy a high five. Yay!
I'll go this way.
Okay, why don't you go? We don't go ahead.
Follow mommy.
Go follow mommy, okay?
You ready?
Say hi to Daddy.
Hi.
Hi.